this is what we have. Alright, what's up there, y'all? It's your girl Shay Skylar, and I'm back with another video. What's up if you're new to my channel, and what's up if you're returning subby. So today I'm going to be reviewing Lady Miranda's store. This is their headband wig, long curly synthetic unit ombre, and this is how she looks. I'm just taking her right out the pack. This wig is from Amazon. It'll run you $29.99. It is Amazon Prime. The shipping is 2 days due to the fact that it's Amazon Prime, which is what I love. So yeah, the unit it's like twist, kind of, sort of. Like, it's supposed to be kiki, but it's giving me like twist. And I'm just going to get up close. It's kind of like coils. So it is a headband unit. She's really soft. The color is like a mixture. Like, it's a weird color. Like, I can't really describe it, but this is how it looks. All right, so we're going to get into the construction of the unit. Again, we have the headband. We have 2 combs here. We don't have a comb here in the front. It's usually one here, but it's not. And then we have, and we don't have a comb in the back. So we just have 2 combs on the side for security purposes. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and snatch the tag off. It comes with this cute cheetah headband, which is really, really cute. And I feel like it goes with the unit. Take that off. It does have adjustable straps here in the back that usually doesn't come with the headband unit, so it seems like it's big head friendly. So I'm going to go ahead and tighten those straps up, guys. I just put my hair in some twists, my natural hair. So I'm just going to take a cap, all right, and put it on top of my twist. Make sure I'm stretching them because I want these twists to be laid and slayed when I take them out. All right, so I kind of already have like my edges done a little bit, so I'm going to leave it as is, and then I'm going to go ahead and put on the unit. Now this one doesn't have like the Velcro. It has this type of strap. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is strap it before I put on the unit, and I'm going to put it on the last one. Okay, then I'm just going to put the unit on. Like I said, I knew she was big head friendly when I first took her out of the pack. So this is what we're looking like with the unit. She is 22 inches. So it is quite a bit of hair. All right, so this is what we have. And I'm going to go ahead and put her into some cute style. Since it is a lot of hair that we're dealing with, I'm going to go ahead and take the pretty headband that it came with and put this on. So this is how she looks full. All right, so I'm just going to take some scrunchies and go ahead and style her. So 2 buns. We can even do 4 buns if we wanted to. The next one, I can just take these down. So I think she's really cute, guys. If you like this unit, let me know. Again, she's $29.99 on Amazon. She does get shipped with Amazon Prime. She's really, really soft, y'all. And you don't have to comb her because it's like literally in twists, but like tight coils. I just don't really know how to describe it. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you liking this unit. Let me know if you like the color. I'm sorry about my voice, y'all. I lost it. Your girl was turned all weekend, but thank you so much for coming back to my channel to watch my video. It's your girl, always beginner friendly, inexpensive, budget friendly units. And make sure that you follow me on Shay_Tresses on Instagram, where I sell my units, y'all, for a huge discounted price. All right, thank y'all so much for watching. Bye.